Good morning, guys. It is 6:40 and I wanted to show you this today's the next day in the video you just watched. So that day yesterday we found this I don't know if we came up or down, because I don't know if that's up or down, but we went a little bit further from where we were and we found this beautiful resort. It's called Jarabacoa River Club and Resort, and it's really pretty. Lots of beautiful plants. I didn't record over there yet because I didn't want to talk too loud and I didn't want to wake up people. So on the way back I'll show you all that, and I'm going to show you how beautiful this resort is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's cold right now. It is pretty cool. At night the temperature drops because we're up in the mountains, so it's really cool right now. Like, I feel like if I was inside my house, my AC is probably on 70, something like that probably. Can you guys hear all the roosters? So the noise that you hear is a natural river going this way. There's a playground for the kids. So many people come here, many people. People from all over the world. Yesterday we saw people that were Dutch. We saw a group of Russian people too, and then you have, Americans. Even Dominican people that already live in the US, they come and stay here. So a bunch of all kinds of people. Look at the beautiful mountains. So that's a restaurant over there, and there's a basketball little area there, and pool tables are over there, and a restaurant. It's a gift shop right here. Another playground. So we're gonna do some walking, but let me show you the view from down here up there. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Ooh, I'm cold. I can't get coffee yet because they open at 7. So yeah. Oh, look at kitty. There's a kitty. What happened, kitty? Hi, kitty. Hi. So here's another restaurant. Wherever you're at, if you order a drink, they'll come bring it to you. So yeah, that's pretty right here. We have this pool right here. Oh my gosh, I'm cold. The sun is not even hitting us yet because of all the mountains. Okay, so look at this, guys. Look at that. I don't know why the river looks a little brown. Oh, I know. Okay, so when it doesn't rain, this water in the river is crystal clear. But in the evening, it rained. So in the evening, it rained and it gets a little murky like this. But after a while, it's gonna all clear up and become clear water. But all this water flowing into all these pools, that is natural river water. There's no chlorine in this water because this water is constantly flowing out. Look at this over here. I wish I would have recorded yesterday, but I had just gotten here and I needed to hang out with them. They did record, so maybe I'll use some of their clips so you can see how clean the water will look. Isn't that pretty? So it's like so many areas to hang out. You can so let me show you over here. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. You know what? I should go this way. Okay, there's so many ways to go. So let me just show you. Let me go through the bridge. I don't know if it's open right now because there's nobody out here. Also, you are completely responsible for everything. Like, you're responsible. There's not a lifeguard here, so if you are here with your kids, you're responsible in watching them and taking care of them. If you decide to go into the river, you are responsible for that, nobody else. So this river, this bridge looks a little scary, but we're gonna walk it so you guys can see the view. And there's nobody out here, only myself. So if I fall and I disappear, nobody will know what happened to me. Whoa, let me just show you. The bridge feels pretty secure. I'm just being silly. But this water yesterday was so clear. Look at another little waterfall there. And there's so many pools around here. So if you come over here, my kids already had walked this yesterday. Okay. I'm a scary cat, so I'm scared. Walking the bridge. Okay. Now I'm safe. Whoa, spider webs. Okay. So they have that little waterfall that goes through here, down there. Another bridge. So there's a pool there. There's a pool there. Then there's a pool there. Then you can come down these steps right here. There's a pool right here. Nice. Look what's growing here. Oh my gosh, that's a Kalanchoe. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's just growing on the rocks. Look, another one. Look, I found wild succulents. That's cool. I didn't think in my mind I was gonna go find it. Oh look, it's right here. That's why. Look at how pretty. That's cool. She's growing on the rocks. Oh, that is cool. Looking around here. I haven't gone through all this, so here's another area to hang out. See, there could be somebody here at the bar. If you request it to hang out here, they'll come and do that. I guess we'll go this way. It's kind of scary, like by yourself early in the morning, because you don't know who's hanging around. It's the bathroom in there. You come down here. I guess another just hangout area. Look, mangoes on the floor. There's mangoes all over this place. So here's another hangout area. I guess people can rent these areas out. Like, they're not working these areas right now unless specifically requested. So if you're gonna have like a big old party, you can. Look at that. That looks crazy. And that's because of the rain yesterday. Guys, I hope my video does not make you nauseous. It's pretty hard because I have to watch where I'm going and record at the same time, so. Keep walking up here. There's just so many areas to go to. Here's another area. Look at those there. I don't know the name of those. That house is there. Kind of don't like being over here by myself. It's a little bit scary. Oh, there's a road right here because I hear the motorcycle passing by. So here in Dominican Republic, they drive lots and lots of motorcycles around here. It's just convenient. Oh, hi kitty, baby. It's just convenient and it's more inexpensive than a car for them to purchase, you know? So there's lots of, it's hard to drive here. If you don't live here, then you're gonna have to use the taxi. And there's taxi numbers everywhere. You can call, and there's taxi numbers everywhere for you to call for somebody to pick you up and take you places. Okay. Here are these hammocks over here. My daughters had laid in it yesterday. They're just laying here, relax. Okay guys, I'm gonna walk back and then I'll show you some more. It looks like a little bit up close. See? Look. The water's flowing out and going into the river. The water's flowing out through the steps, back down to the river, and it just recycles like that. And that's how it stays clean. I wanted to show you. Can you guys see all the beautiful aloe there growing? So pretty. I was looking at that yesterday. And there's another kalanchoe right there. That's a kalanchoe. Those are kalanchoes right there. It's pretty cool. There's lots of them. Lots of kalanchoe. Look, they're all over the place growing. I just noticed that now. Wow, look at that. Look at all those kalanchoe. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So see, here's another one. And right now there's not a lot of water coming through there, but normally there is a lot of water and the water's flowing out. So I'm just gonna go and find a place to go sit and wait for coffee. So, and then after that I'll show you guys up close my where I was staying, like the building, just because I didn't want to be talking over there while people are sleeping. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Oh look, here's more aloe. Look at it. They get a lot of sun. Oh, look at those over there. Those get a lot of sun. Right there. Anyways, guys. I'll be back. Guys, I'm over here waiting for coffee. This is the area that I told you earlier about where they'll bring you drinks and stuff. And as you can see, some people were partying very late last night, and I guess even the people that clean were gone, so they have to come and clean up that mess now. But look at this beautiful arrangement I just found. Isn't it cute? That is too cute. I just wanted to show you that real quick. I'm just going to sit here and wait for people to arrive so that I can ask for coffee. See you guys. Hey guys, I'm back over here. I'm going to show you what the little, I guess, villas or houses, whatever you want to call it, look like. Look at these wild chickens. And the rooster is a rooster right here. There it is. So this is my favorite type of grass. It's like a very thick, bushy grass. You feel like you're walking in a carpet. See? It's so thick. In Puerto Rico, they have this. So when I used to live there, I liked it a lot because it's like you're walking. Look at that. Look. You're walking on a big old thick carpet. That's what it feels like. So I really like this grass. Anyways, so this is what the little villas look like. I'll call them villas. Let's just make it easy. Look at that beautiful, I don't know a English name for this. I know that it's called a flamboyant tree. That's beautiful. They come in different colors. There's a purple one, a yellow one, and this one. I don't know of any other colors. But I've seen them in those colors. See how this grass grows on the rocks? So cool. So let me show you the landscape around here. It's about 7:25. It's still pretty cold, and there's some breeze. You see a lot of the similar landscape that you find in Florida here. And look at, there's some roses right here. Smells pretty. Let me just show you right here. Somebody's watering the grass. Buenos días. So you see all the pretty plants around here. Oh look. Oh, I think are those gardenias? No, I think they're just white roses. Let me see. Yeah, those are just white roses. Pretty. I don't know what kind of plant this is. It's pretty cool though. It's got some really thick leaves. And they're fuzzy. And really beautiful purple flowers. Pretty big. I think this might be in the succulent family. I'm not sure. I think you guys are seeing it blue, but they're actually purple. I have spider webs all over me. Hold on. Okay. So this is, you know, the kind of landscape that you see around here. Very similar to Florida. My neighbor has these type of flowers. Or bushes, I guess. And then there's bougainvilleas. Look how pretty they look. So pretty. More chickens. Chickie, chickie, chickie. And here they are waking up everybody. Time to wake up. Look at the mountains all the way up there. Though up there is really cold. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys can hear me well. There was a lot of water running, so it's kind of hard. When I put up the volume on my videos when I edit, obviously it's going to put all the noise around me. It also is going to go higher, so I really don't. Sometimes I don't see the purpose of me bringing up the volume because you still can't hear me. You could hear the background noise too. Anyways, I hope you guys really appreciate it, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.